Hello, welcome in Transylvanian kitchen. My name is Laura and today I will show you how to make dandelion syrup and honey. Dandelion honey is a substitute for normal honey with a similar flavor. The consistency is thinner than the moss honey, but it has a similar color. Let's start. You need 5 hands full of dandelion flowers, 1 liter water, 1 lemon, and 1 kilogram sugar. Put the flour in a pot together with the water. Bring it to a boil. Let it boil a few seconds before you stop the heat. Remove the pot from the heat and let it rest until the next day. At the next day, separate the dandelion flowers from the liquid. Good to know, dandelion have been used for a long time, from medicinal tincture to skin and lip salves. Dandelion contain a lot of vitamin A, which helps with vision and the immune system, as well as the function of many organs, including heart, lungs, and kidneys. The green parts from dandelion are high in vitamin C and calcium. Add 1 kilogram sugar and mix until the sugar is dissolved. Add the lemon slices. Let it to a low boil on small heat. Let it boil until it reaches the desired syrup thickness. To make honey, you have to prepare in the same way, but the difference is that you have to boil on a small heat for more time. When it foams on top, it means that it's almost ready. Let few minutes more and taste on the plate to see if the honey is ready. it boil too much, it can crystallize. If this happens for you, add a little more water and boil the composition a little bit. If the composition is too liquid, let it boil until it is thicker. I hope you enjoyed the amazing taste of syrup and honey. See you for the next recipe. Goodbye!